Hey, we're going to check out this Govee TV Backlight kit. These backlights use a camera to adjust the lighting to what is playing on the screen. I was looking for something to enhance my viewing experience while watching movies and sports at night and came across this. So far, I've been very impressed with this backlight. In addition to matching what is displayed on the TV, you can also set this to match music and sound. There are a ton of different options in the app, and you can adjust the sensitivity and brightness depending on your preferences. Here is the box. Let's open it up. All right, so we got the camera. This is gonna mount on top of your TV, and you got a spool of your LED light. So this is what's gonna go on the back of your TV, and this has some 3M double-sided tape on the back. Cords here, power supply, hook your power supply up to this, and this is what will control your lights and actually work with your app on your phone so you can wirelessly control this. So the kit that I purchased is for a 75 to 85 inch TV. This is an 82 inch, so it's correctly sized. We got the camera mounted to the top of the TV, and now I'm gonna start installing the LED light. All right, we are behind the TV now, and I got the LED strip mounted. Okay, now we're gonna mount the receiver to the back. So the USB-C cord plugs into the camera. Now this is gonna go behind the TV. I just have it out front to show you. And then the LED strip is also a USB-C. Both of them just plug right in, and then I'm gonna mount this on the back of my TV. All right, we got the receiver right behind the TV. You can see all the dust. That's why it's important to wipe with the alcohol pad like I did there. Now we're calibrating. It comes with some square foam pads that stick onto the TV, and you utilize the Govee app to calibrate. This was pretty simple to set up, and the app is intuitive and easy to use. I really love how this utilizes the entire wall behind this TV to give an immersive viewing experience. I will definitely be using this when I watch movies, sports, and honestly every time I use this TV.